Hello there. In this video, we will quickly learn about the stage controls for the host or co-host inside the Airmeet events. Let's get started. First, we will learn about the conference format. While you're inside the conference format, click on this view schedule and select the session in which you are the host. If you are the host, you will find this go backstage button. Click on go backstage and there you are inside the backstage. Now, if you view on the bottom side, you have the host and speakers. All the hosts and speakers that you have for this session will be shown in this section. If you want to hide yourself or other inactive speakers from the stage, then you will be able to click on hide from stage and hide yourself or other event participants from the stage. If you want to show them on the stage, then you can click on show on stage. If you cross this out, you can always find that section from here. The other section in this part is the speaker chat. This is the private chat wherein the speakers and the host can converse without including the event attendees. At the top of the page, you will find this back arrow by clicking on which you will be leaving this session. The indicator that shows that you are in the backstage, the session status, that is if the session has started, not started, or is live, the name of the session and the time when this session starts. On the right, you will see Start Session button and the full screen button, by clicking which you can go full screen. On the bottom, you will find camera and mic. You can also click on the share screen button. To stop sharing, you can click on this button again. Click on the three dot icon, and from this section, you can manage your co-host. Click on it, and from here, you can select or unselect the co-host for your sessions. The second option is to update the stage backdrop. Click on it, and from here, select the different stage backdrop and update the backdrop or remove the backdrop. You can also set up your audio video settings if required from here. While on the backstage, you will also find this record session toggle button out here. You can turn this off if you do not want to record your live session, or if you want your live session to be recorded, then you can keep it on. Depending on the stage participants, you can also use this layouts given out here. You can also select the resolution of the video depending on the bandwidth of your internet. Now coming on to the session right hand side control, first is the chat section wherein you can chat with other participants inside the event. The Q&A section wherein people can ask their question. You can click on comment and comment on the question, and if your comment is the answer to this question asked, then you can also mark it as the answer of the question. You can also filter the questions by the filters given out here. If you click on this people section, you will find all the people who are inside this particular session, not inside the event, only this particular session. Now click on this poll icon. You can create a new poll by clicking on create a new poll. You can fill in the poll details and then click on publish to publish it, or save draft to draft it. You also have this breakout room section. If you want to create breakout room for your session, then you can create the breakout room before you start your session. And lastly, click on this create CTA button. If you want to add any sort of CTA actions inside your session, then you can create the same from here. Now to start a session, click on start session button. It will give you a 10 seconds timer to get ready for your session. And now your event is live, and it also has the indicator that your event is being recorded. Inside the live stage, the controls are similar except for few controls. That is the reactions control. You can use different reactions in this session. And now if you click on this manage section, you will find the raise hand option. Raise hand is basically a permission asked by the event attendees to come to the stage and share their thoughts. You can either accept it or decline it. If you have uploaded the pre-recorded videos, then you can find them from here. To play the video, simply click on play on stage and your video will be live on the stage. If you want to hide the video from the stage, click on hide from stage. Now coming on to resources. If you have added any resources for your event, you will find all those resources out here, such as links, audios, videos, etc. And lastly, if you click on activities, there are few activities that you can do during the session, which you can find out here. That is, if you want to have a donation, then you can use donor box. If you want to have gamification session, then you can use Kahoot. For surveys, you can use Typeform. Or if you want to add third-party website links, then you can use this iframe plugin section. All other controls are same as the backstage. Now, if you want to pause the session for a quick break, then you can click on pause session button and pause your session. Or if you want to end your session, click on this end session button to end your session. Now let us understand the stage controls on the virtual event format. Once you are inside the event, you will be led to the social lounge area. Click on this go backstage button and you will be led inside the backstage. Most of the controls in the virtual event format are similar to that of virtual conference format. The only change that you'll find out here is the people section. In virtual conference format, we had the people in session icon out here, but for the virtual events, we do not have it. You can find all the event participants inside the people section. Even in the virtual event format live stage, all controls are similar except for the people in session icon. We do not have the people in session icon in the virtual event format because all the event participants will be guided inside the session once it is live. That's all for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.